Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I want to share some outgoing spring mail. I created a box for this mail and I want to share it with you guys. Now the box might be a little too big to be in frame, so what I'll do is I'll show you guys each flap. If you can see right here, just want to make sure that you can see. I made some like faux little grass. I have a little bunny in the grass, some butterflies in the air, and then it says happy. When you turn the box this way, there's some more grass, another bunny, and then it says spring. And then on this side, it's kind of like the same thing, the grass and the butterflies. This right here says the recipient's name. Her name is Shara. Some flowers right here. I won't be posting this video till she gets it, so by the time you guys watch it, she already has it. This is the little grass. It's a little sun and a little bunny again in the grass. So that's what the box looks like. I painted it pink just to give it that extra little touch. This is her card. And then we got some tissue paper here. And this is what the box looks like in the inside. Now we're going to go through everything so that you guys can see. I'm going to take out some of the crinkle paper so that I can throw that back in once I fix the box. Let me move the box out of the way and show you guys what I created for her. There's going to be crinkle paper everywhere because I totally forgot to film. Like, I wanted to do like a packaging video, but it didn't turn out that way. So I'll show you guys this way. Oops. I know where that clip goes. Okay, so I made her a tulip shape flip book. This is what the book looks like. And I used the, let me see, what collection is this? This is the Cartabella Spring Market collection. So I recently got a sewing machine, so I started sewing onto this project. I sewed the alphas onto the tulip. Her name is right here. And this is a little flip through of it. Just some little, I picked up with some foam tape, some flowers. And if you guys want to know, I got the template from Pinterest. And I made her some butterflies. And then I gave her some labels. And then some cut aparts back here. And then she's got like a few variety of clips. She's got the little wooden ones. She's got a big pink one. And this little vintage one right here. So I put all that in this little goodie package. Little pocket right there. And then on this side, she's got some wood veneers that I placed there for her. Hopefully you guys can see. Maybe I should like fix the focus. Okay, so on this side right here, I made some tags for her. I put a little belly band and I made a bunch of tags. Some of them I sewed on them for her. And that's what that looks like. That's what this one looks like. I did some pom-pom trim as well. And then on this side, it's like a little portrait frame with the little girl and her yellow bow. Another little clip right here, some gems. Says a perfect day. And then right here, I did a shaker pocket with tulle, which I thought was pretty cool. It was my first time doing it. I sewed it all the way around. It says Home Sweet Home. It's one of my favorite pages. And then on this page, I love the color, it's so bright. We got some crepe paper, some ribbon, the little girl with a little diamond on her hair. It says Hello Sunshine, cute little pink heart, a little chickie, and some butterflies. This paper is not from the spring collection. It's from the, the Echo Park Happy Birthday Girl paper. I thought it went well. It's just the only paper that I went outside of the collection. And then on this one, it just has the little floral trucks in the back. And then I sewed this trim onto it right here. It says choose your happy, and I put a little pink heart. And then here's the other page. It has like the wood paneling in the back. I put like a fabric doily, some more butterflies, a bow. The butterfly is on the bow. Cute little paper flower, and this little piece of ephemera that I sewed all the way around. It says plant smiles, grow laughter, and harvest love. And then on this last page, I just sewed in this little pocket, added some paper flowers, a little gem, the sticker that says the girls, and then there's some cutter parts in the pocket for her. And then the back just says handmade by Lily. So that's the flip book that I made for her. That's like the main handmade item. Let's try to put this on the side. I'll fix that in a little bit. I also made her a rosette, also with the collection. I hope you guys can see this clearly. You're so high up I can't really see. I'm sending her 2 little bags which have goodies inside. I'm not going to be opening those. She'll probably have a video. You guys can go definitely check that out with her. I'm sending her this cute little face mask. I didn't wrap it up because I like the packaging, as well as this, which is a makeup brush cleaner in the shape of an ice cream. So I thought it was so cute. And then I'm also sending her some candy because why not? I packaged up some of those cute little markers for her. I sewed on the top. I packaged them up really pretty. And then I used one of those little eggs that I had bought in Dollar Tree and filled it up with some pom-poms that she can use in her projects. And then I used one of those little goodie bags from Dollar Tree, filled it up with some more little extra goodies. And then she has, there's so much crinkle paper, you guys. I went crazy with the crinkle paper. I did get her a few extra little gifts that I wrapped up like this. And then I made her some stuff. So I made her a little pack of rosettes that she can use in any of her projects. That's why they're not decorated. She can add any embellishment that she wants and use it on any of the projects. And I sewed the word rosettes up top. And then I made her a pack of ephemera of the collection that I used. And I did the same thing with the word ephemera up top. I sewed it on. And then I made her a few little tiny bows with the bow die that my friend Christina sent me. And I did the same thing with the sewing on the top with the word bows. I sent her a pack of little Easter clips. And then she's got 2 more little gifts here with stuff inside that she can open. And then lastly on the bottom looks like that. A bunch of candy, crinkle paper, and this cute little tube of confetti. But yeah, you guys, that's the spring swap that I created for my friend, my new friend, Shara. And I hope she likes it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys got inspired to create spring swaps. And let me lower the... Yes, I hope you guys get inspired to create some spring swaps and create some spring mail. And I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.